Hello, hello, hello. Yes, I am super excited to be here today. Very, very excited, and it's actually a great pleasure for me to be making another live video today. This is the 15th day in the month of July 2024. And I must tell you how, beautiful it has been. Now, let's look at the all right. Let's quickly look at the trades that I, you know, just exited from. And these are trades that I left. I had all through Sunday. Sorry, all through Friday up until now. And Dow Jones. This is for Dow Jones. This trade is for as for Euro Australian dollar. This, this is it? Am I correct? Yeah, this is 15th. Yeah, this is for gold. All right. This trade for Euro New Zealand. And yeah, these are the 4 trades that I just exited from. Okay. And if you can, see it all very clearly, you see they all came out positive. It does not mean that every trade system or methodology or ideas, that I have put in place, that doesn't mean it is 100%. Okay. Of course, sometimes I have losing trade. I have losing trades, and I've said to myself, either good or bad, I am going to be documenting, my trades. Okay. And just a quick one. I keep telling people, a little bit of me that, makes me a programmer. So let us look at what we have today. And for the very first one, I am going to be looking into US dollar. I'm going to be looking into USD card. Okay. And at this point, I'm going to place a buy order. Okay, I'm going to give it 5. Make it 5 lots. All right, so that's it. So let's look at it from the smaller time frame. Like I said, I like it when I always like it when I'm picking price from tops like this, bottoms like this, tops like this, bottoms like this. All right, so and for this fact, I'm going to keep my eyes on this level here at 1.3665. okay, so which means it's just about 29 pips. It's just going to be about 29 pips. Okay, that's if price goes in this direction that I'm going to. Oh, sorry, about 24 though. So this area, that means I still have to follow the momentum of this price of the US dollar, which still gives a bearish momentum. All right, and also the the market volume also is still very, price is still on the bullish side, on the upside though. So picking price from this low, in a smaller time frame, we definitely still, mean that I am still following the market in the direction with which market, is going. So I think that's the first one. All right. So another one that I'm definitely going to look at here is let's look at it. GBP Swiss franc. Oh, do I have it? Okay. Okay. I've done the analysis, earlier on. I picked some of the trades that I wanted to, some of the financial assets that I want to trade, and this is one of it. Okay, so it's actually been on a anyway. I'm not really going to look at this at this time. Let me just bring it out for you guys to see. Okay, it doesn't mean, okay, this is what I follow. All right, yeah, this is what I follow. So I have USD card. I have USD cards to trade. All right, and I also have GBP CHF to also trade. All right, and based on what I'm actually looking at, there's a mix between the parameters here. So I think I may have to just overlook it. Now price may go up though. All right, price definitely may go up, but I'm really not going to risk it because of this stop. All right, so that's for that. Then the other one, GBP Australian dollar. It's almost the same thing, so be wary of this high here. Although the momentum of the market is on the bullish side. All right, the momentum of the market is on the bullish side, so I'm just very wary of that point. Not really sure if I am going to give that what it really takes. But we should not neglect the fact that the momentum of the market is on the upside for this currency pair, and also the volume. There's enough volume for the bullish traders. Okay. Okay, I think it's up. I'm just for GBP Australian dollar. I'm just gonna wait. Let me look at it from the smaller time frame. I love it from 5 minutes and also from 1 minute. Okay, that's for a scalper or an intraday trader. You can just take some 12-13 pips from it. All right, and there's possibility that price may break above this point here, this high here. Okay, because the same high you see here is also the same high you see on the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. All right, so this is actually making it a zone in 5 minutes. All right, say price has touched and touched the third time, 1, 2, 3, and the fourth time here. All right, but for price to actually really come down, there must always be a resistant level, so which is maybe that's what it's trying to do. Okay, so we will also look at Euro GBP. I'm not a fan of Euro GBP though, so maybe I should just ignore it. And then Euro Australian dollar. I have taken this Euro Australian trade, but I exited from it, you can see, but all well and good. All well and good. It can still be taken. This was Monday, so I was not trying to risk anything. Actually was not trying to risk anything, so I just had to exit the trade as soon as possible. Worth it, because you see I may have to take the trade again, because I have been anticipating all through last week. I was actually anticipating this move for price to really move in this in a bullish direction. So there was not enough momentum, there was not enough volume for the market to move to go north. So I just had to. But these zones here, this zone had price had tarried as this zone so very much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So price had tarried so very long at this point. So if you're actually looking at buying Euro Australian dollar, you can please do so. Okay, you can actually do so. You can actually do so. So we still have. I'm just gonna wait for. All right. Let's just see how USD card is going. That's the only trade I have though for now. In all of my accounts, that's the only trade that I have got. But we must always remember that two things are always involved in the financial markets. All right, it could be positive, it could be negative. Price can go up, price can come down. There may be volatility, there may be no volatility. There may be momentum, there may not be momentum. There may be high volume and there could be low volume. So in life, two things are always involved. So always have that in your mind. All right. So anyway, guys, for Euro Australian dollar, what I want to do, is I'm going to wait a little bit, for this. I'm going to wait until I get an entry. Sorry, I'm going to wait until I get a little pullback. Okay, a very little pullback, and then I'm going to take the trade. Yeah, a very short pullback, and then I'm going to take the trade. That is for Euro Australian dollar. Okay. And if you have not subscribe to this channel, I think this is the time that you should, if you wish. I'm not going to force anybody to do whatever it is that's against their wish. And also, I would rather say that I only want people that will trade alongside FX Trader KG. Okay, yeah, those that will trade alongside me. And the beauty of this is that once the website is completely done, okay, once the website is completely done, what we are going to do is to just put in okay. Don't forget that I said I'm still going to wait for a pullback. It definitely will happen. This is a 1 minute time frame. So whatever noise you think maybe there should be a day that I'm going to talk about the market noise in the smaller time frame. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, I was talking about the website not yet completed, right? All right. So we are still waiting for I don't really know what to do here. So you see, euro Australian dollar is just shooting up. Seriously shooting up. But what can we do but wait for a pullback to happen? Going to wait for a pullback to happen. Yeah. There's this saying that the patient dog eats the fattest bone. The patient dog eats the fattest bone. That's one of the reasons why I decided to be making a live stream. Okay. So make it on a live stream, put it on a live stream. Let it just be that you will not be asking me, where's your trade result proof? Where's your trade statement? You know, everything is done live here. And please, that trading forex involves significant risk and it may not be suitable for all investors. And the high volatility and the leverage can lead to substantial losses that exceeds initial investment. So the past performance, our past performance is not and does not indicate future results. So you must ensure that you understand the risk that is involved and try as much as possible to seek professional advice if needed. Lastly, please trade with the funds that you can only afford to lose. All right, so that's it. Yeah, trade with the funds you can only afford to lose. Okay. I'm still waiting for a pullback for euro Australian dollar, and if it does not, it's all good. I'm not gonna trade against, you know, my methodology. All right, you cannot pick all the trades, you cannot pick all the points in the market. So we're still waiting, but yes, I still have USD card positive. So let's just be hoping. And like I was saying earlier on, once the website is completed, our live streaming or live trading will be practical inside the FX Trader KG website. Okay, our live trading will be practical inside the FX Trader KG.trade website. So which means you're gonna have to have an account. You're gonna open an account with us, and then you verify your account, and from the member area or the client area, you will then pick one of the few reliable brokerage firms that we are working with, and then you register with them. And Once we verify you, you're good to go. So whatever trade we trade or whatever trade we take, definitely you're going to have yours also live and direct with us. So we will be there just like we are live streaming now. The live streaming is going to go there 247. Okay, so which means the link to the live streaming, you're only going to have it in the member area, and it's going to be exclusively for members of the FX Trader KG trade. So we cannot risk just giving it out to to all and sundry. So be part and be a family. It's just getting interesting day by day, honestly. It gets interesting, very interesting day by day. And you need to know the level of work that has been put into place for this to happen. Honestly, it's not a 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 years work. In a matter of few years, yes, we are going to celebrate 20 years. That's 2 decades in the business of financial trading. So you should expect that one should know what he or she is doing. Yeah. So the knowledge is what I'm trying to impact into people. So for those who also learn, how to trade, and also those who want to trade alongside FX Trader KG and the team. Okay. So let's look at the Euro Australian dollar from the bigger time frame. No wonder it's making all the noise. Its price might still go up, okay? And if it does, we should be looking at this high here. Honestly. Or better still, there is a perfect zone here. So break above this, we should look at this also. So price from here, we should all look at this zone here. Let me set it properly. Okay, now look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times that price actually did touch from beneath this the horizontal line, which is the resistance level here. 6 times price did touch it before it finally came down, and now it's like we're trying to go back to retest it again. And if this continues, we should be hoping for another 103 pips. And if it breaks this level, this should be our second take profit. So this is about 203 pips. That's great. Very great. Okay. And for Euro AUD, okay, this is going to be my first level here, the first take profit if I eventually go in again. It's about 86 pips, and this will be the second take profit. This here, it's a perfect place where price was forming a bottom while price was above, and it's a perfect place for where price was also forming a top when price was beneath it. Let's see. So, and this will definitely be the third TP. Okay, and finally we can have our fourth TP here. So it's huge, but just take the little you can take and rest. And this is USD card. The only trade we currently have. The only trade we currently have. So now we have USD card, we have GBP CHF, we have GBP Australian dollar, all buying. We have Euro GBP and also Euro AUD. And for Euro GBP, which is selling, like I said, I do not really fancy Euro GBP. So let me be mindful. Let me be mindful. I may consider it later on though, because all pips is pips, all profit is profit, whether long or too many pips or not too many pips. I may consider it though. Wow, this is beautiful. So how many pips have we picked so far? It's not much, that's about 7. $355 to $342. Wow, that's not much. I'm not going to be showing this. It just came to my mind to just show it to you. Okay, I may not be displaying it all the time, but